everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. It's the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? My darling people, go and subscribe. Oh, my Bonga people, oh, I said they work out for Facebook. Oh, now I see this video. Now I say, if I don't talk about I'm waiting again. I must talk about my people, oh, because this life no balance, really. Because I dey surprised for some of our people will be say, why be say if woman do wetin man dey do, will say na sugar daddy, na he give am the money, na man na he give am the money, you know. Why this lady, if una see the mansion wey she build, like when me see the house, me myself I shocked her lies. I say a woman na he build this house, so like seriously, you know. So people begin dey say na sugar daddy. She want talk say man not give her money to build that house. Say she want talk say man not give her money. She dey lie. This that kini con. They talk so many things, you know. Like the lady can say, not be woman, not be man give her this money. Then she come and say she want clear the hair. Say no man don't ever. I'll put the video more than listing. No man, they say if any man they will give her money, make the man come out. And what did she talk? He say if any man they will give her this money, make say build this house. He say make the man make it come out. Now what did she talk? He say he challenge that man, make it come out. He say no man give her the money. No man. He say even the one when he did with before, maybe the father of a baby. He say make that one still come out if you give her 100 or 50 cents safe for that house. If you see the house and the match, you wanna go shocked her lies, like seriously. He say so he just want to do this video because if they see comments so people they give, they insult her, they say she they lie. He say so if any man they will give her money, make the man come out. He say if you not come out, now be say you don't know what you they do. That be say you give her money, they allow her, they boast, they talk and say, man, not give her money. He say, make you come out. And what did she talk? Now say, man, I can't tell now. This video don't go too long, my darling people. So what a man can do, a woman can do it more better. Really. You know, this woman really like, she make women eye open, say, woman, you feel build house, you feel build that kind of mansion. If you really talk to yourself, say you feel work, they hard working. You feel do one. You feel do the one we pass in you. Then say me can tell our darling people. So my darling people, I will put the video for people to watch and see for yourself.
Normally,
thank you everybody.
I would never do this, or maybe I stopped doing it. But I had to. I normally don't like to read blogs when I read about myself, but I couldn't help it. Someone showed it. My friend Amaka showed it to me because I've blocked all of them on my page. Anyway. Then this comment goes, oh, we see that's how she built her house. That's how she makes money. Motivational speaker. Normally, I would allow that pass. But no, I'm doing this for my queens, my upcoming queens that believe in themselves, believe in hard work, believe in being resilient, believe that you can do it. No man. I'm beating my full chest. No man. Again. Spent one dime, 100 naira in my house. If you did and you're a man and you don't speak up, God will punish you. If you as a man have ever bankrolled Ehi and you don't talk, as a matter of fact, I'm betting $100,000 if you're a man and you claim that you've ever bankrolled me in any way, or you spent 1 naira in my business, you spent 1 naira building my house. I built my house myself. That's hard work, darlings. I'm on the road at times 4 days in a week. I do it for myself. I do it for my kids. So you know what, bloggers, just lover, to hell with you, fam. You're such a fool. You're ruining the minds of these little girls. You're making them not believe in themselves. You're making them feel like you have to be with a man because he has money. You are a fool. Beyonce's with Jay-Z. Is he bankrolling her? Like, what are you teaching these girls out there? I will be with the man that I care about. I'll be with the man that I'm madly in love with. He doesn't need to give me a freaking fucking time. He doesn't. Because I don't need it. And I'm going to say this and I will say it for the last time. I will be the last person by the grace of God, to date a man for money. And like I said, be this person I'm with, be who I was with. Come out if you've ever bankrolled me. Come out if you've given me money and say, take, I'm going to do business. Or say, never. And if you spent a dime in my house and you're not speaking, you better speak. I bet $100,000. If you did, come out. So my darling queens, you can do it. You don't need a man to sponsor you. You can do it, but you can meet a man, love him for who he is. You don't need him. You don't need his money. Okay, so I hope I'm able to address this. Bye, fam. Bye, just lover. Mwah.
The moment I'm alone in my room, I'm saying to myself, Iyabo, you worthless. You failed. You are ugly. How could you have a child and look so skinny and so ugly? Before you had kids, you were thick, you were pretty. Now you have to lightening up your skin to get off all these things, and look at now, you have to deal with that. And even you had a tattoo on, you still look ugly because there's no one's going to marry you. No one's going to accept you. You have 2 kids at your age. Failed marriage. Your mom had a failed marriage, and you're having a failed marriage. It's an ancestral cause. You just took up your maternal. You are dead. You are gone. Those are the things that rings in my head. And then you can call me that moment, and I pick. What's up, oh moment, I'm not happy. I say, can you come? We talk, we chat, Will you put that down again? And it happens again. Depression is real.
It is real.
And if you're not strong, it will take you from this and throw you down. I didn't want nobody to love me. I didn't want nobody to get close to me. Even those who tried to love me, I pushed them away. I only could identify and recognize with people who didn't want me, and I didn't care. And you know that story, Tosin, because for a very long time, that was who I was. The only good thing about me then was that my children were my strength. My children were my everything. I just wanted to see those kids happy. I wanted to see them have the world, and I was ready to give everything and everything to them.
Yeah.
But I went through those stages when I left my marriage. I even thought I found love at a particular point in time, and I started to do again for that person like I did for my husband, my ex-husband. I was doing for him, hoping and thinking that as I'm doing, he will be different. But unfortunately, he was also a narcissist, and I was doing, and I wasn't getting, I was trying, and then that even became war. I almost lost my sanity because I could not understand. How can I give you so much love and then you cannot love me back in return? How can that be? Now that was another story. And I felt so much rage.